I never thought I would redeem points for merchandise, but I did, and here's why. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to earn some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a very convenient way to manage all of your credit cards and the rewards in one easy-to-use app. Now, if you've been following this channel up to this point, then you may have gotten some sort of an idea that maybe I prefer cashback over all other redemption options. And if you thought that, you're correct. Right now in this phase of life, I do prefer earning and redeeming cashback for the majority of my credit card spend. However, I do like travel secondarily when I do decide to plan a trip, which is great because oftentimes travel rewards allow you to get outsized value above and beyond what the cashback rate would be. So that way, when I do decide to plan a trip, then I can redeem my travel points, get even more money saved on my trip, which means more money left over in my pocket, and therefore more money left over to do other things with after the trip is over. And that's pretty much it. I tend to keep things very simple, using cashback as my default and then travel as my plan B. But Chase sent me this really interesting email, and it looked something like this. Points are worth 25% more when redeemed for Apple products. Stay connected during your next trip. Ha, they indirectly tied in travel. Through June 30th, 2021, your points are worth 25% more when you redeem at the Apple Ultimate Rewards store, followed by a big navy blue button that says Shop Apple. So basically, Chase and Apple are scheming together to get me to get rid of my Chase points as quickly as possible. And it worked. Now, normally when you have a very large bank with a points-based reward system and they give you options like redeeming for gift cards or online merchandise or other ways to redeem your points online through a partner like redeem your points through Amazon or eBay or Best Buy, something like that, then normally the value you're going to get for your points is going to be way worse than cashback and horrendously way worse than travel. However, this offer that came through via email was for my Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which makes your points worth 25% more toward travel and pay yourself back. And the cool thing here is that you can redeem your Chase points for Apple products at the same rate as you would get for travel via the Ultimate Rewards portal and for pay yourself back, which is also done through the same portal to offset certain purchases that you make in select categories. Now again, I normally have no interest whatsoever in redeeming points for merchandise due to the typical poor value that you'll get, but this offer puts it not only on par with cashback, but better than cashback. And because we've got Father's Day right around the corner, I thought now would be a super ideal time to use my points at an elevated value to get a great gift for my dad for Father's Day, specifically the Apple Watch, which really fits in nicely with his active lifestyle at the gym and hiking outdoors. And because I love giving people gifts that they really value and appreciate, I thought now is a great time to act upon this deal before it expires on June 30th and actually show you the process that I'm gonna go through to make this redemption happen. That way, if you want to redeem your Chase Ultimate Rewards points for some Apple product, either for yourself or somebody else, then you'll be able to see how to do it when an offer like this comes around. So let's get to it. Okay, it's time to go shopping. I'm gonna go to chase.com and log into my account right here and sign in. All right, so rather than just clicking the link in the email that Chase sent to me about the Apple promotion, I'm gonna show you how to do this in case you did not get the email or you lost the email or can't find it or whatever the situation may be. So I'm gonna go over to my Sapphire Preferred card, click on that right here, and then I'll go over to my Ultimate Rewards point balance right here. I've got 81,455 points, so I'll click on Redeem. And then it shows me all of my cards that earn Ultimate Rewards points. But again, because the Sapphire Preferred had that 25% promo, I'm gonna click on that card. Awesome, now they usually show promotions on the main page here. So I'm gonna scroll down, yep, here we go. So your points are worth 25% more on all Apple products. I can click on Shop Apple here, but in case they change this at any given time when you see this video, if that's not there, then you can also go to the main menu here, and then down to Apple, and here it still shows you the limited time offer. So again, it says until the earlier of June 30th, 2021, or while supplies last, your Chase Sapphire Preferred points are worth 25% more when you redeem for any product on the Apple Ultimate Rewards store. And then up here at the top, it shows you 25% more value. So my 81,455 points are normally worth $814.55 if I just did straight cash back via statement credit or deposit to a checking or savings account. But due to the promotion, it then shows plus your 25% bonus. It gives you an additional $203.64 for a grand total of $1,018.19 for Apple purchases on Ultimate Rewards. Really, really nice how Chase makes this extremely clear and transparent, showing you the additional value you get and the final value you get for all of your points. You then have your nice horizontal menu across the top here, along with a search bar. And if you scroll down, you can also see big images of the individual product categories. So for me, since I'm going for an Apple Watch purchase, I'm gonna go down here. Here's Series 6. I want the SE, if they have that here. Nah, I didn't see it. So I'm just going to go shop all watch models. And then I can choose up here, of course, which one I'm looking for. So Apple Watch SE. And then over on the left-hand side, you've got a really nice filter for case size, color, band color, and communication, which is basically a way of saying if you want GPS plus cellular or just GPS. So for me, I'm interested in a larger case size, so 44 millimeter. And communication will be GPS only. So now it narrows down my selections really, really easily to navigate further. So I think my dad's going to want the standard black color best. So I'm gonna click on this here, scroll down just a little bit, and let me make sure this all looks good here. So Apple Watch SE with GPS, 44 millimeter space gray aluminum case with black sport band, regular. Normally this would cost 30,900 points, worth $309, but due to the promotion, I'll only have to redeem 24,720 points to cover the base cost. That will likely be a bit more if they allow me to cover any fees and taxes with points as well. So shipping availability 2 to 3 weeks from now, that's fine. I'll go ahead and add this to bag. Okay, great. I'm going to scroll down a bit further here. By the way, if you want to see the fine print, I'll zoom in on this right here for you in case you want to pause this video. I've already looked over these terms, but this gives you a nice explanation of the additional value you may get with your points. So just be aware of this if you want to try this redemption as well. So for me here, I'm going to go ahead and click on checkout. Now it says, how do you want to pay? And there's a really important note here in red, and here's what it says. Ultimate Rewards points must be redeemed to pay for a minimum of 20% of your total purchase. Items are eligible for return only if they are defective, damaged in transit, or do not match what was ordered. Please see the terms and conditions. To be able to complete the checkout process, your address, phone number, and email address must be current in your Chase customer profile. And then over on the right-hand side, it says your order summary, and it does allow me to cover the taxes and if there were any fees as well with my points. So it added an additional 1,916 points to cover those $23.95 in taxes, which is great because that's still at the 1.25 cent per point rate. So that brings the all-in total to 26,636 points, worth $332.95. Then moving over to the left-hand side of the screen, we've got 2 payment options. The first says use points. Use 26,636 points from your rewards balance to pay for your order. Then option number 2 below that says use split pay. Use some of your points and cover the remainder with a credit or debit card. So I'll be using the first option, use points to cover the entire cost, but to show you what split pay looks like if I were to click on it, it then shows another button in blue that says next step, how many points? I'll click on that. From there, it gives 3 options. The first is use maximum points. Use 26,636 points to pay for your order. Then there's use minimum points. Use 5,328 points and pay the remaining $266.35 with a credit or debit card of your choice. And then option number 3, use custom number of points. Specify the exact number of points to apply to this order. So selecting the custom number, I can then get a drop down after I select it. I can type in exactly how many points I want to use, plus the additional payment due in cash. Then if I use a minimum amount of points, that will just go by default and then go on to the next step, and then use maximum, which will choose all of them. So basically I can just leave it as use maximum points or go back to all the payment options and simply select the first one of use points. That does the same thing. Either way will work just fine if you want to use all of your points. Okay, now I'm brought to a section where I can review my order details, which shows me the shipping address and payment method. And then scrolling down, I can once more see what's in my bag, basically what I'm about to purchase, and then see the glorious total of additional payment due, which is $0.00. That is sweet. And now there's only one thing left to do: complete this purchase. Congratulations, your order has been placed. Your order is being processed now. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. I can then click on the link to print the page, also write down my order number, which is provided there. Once more, it shows me the shipping information and the payment method, which was all my points. And if you move your eyeballs up to the top left-hand side of my screen, you can see that the points were already deducted from my balance. And of course, it shows me what those would be worth if I continued giving Apple more of my money. Haha. So now that I've done what I thought I would never do, I actually gotta say I feel good about it. And that's because for once, merchandise was actually a great redemption value for my points. And it also, of course, feels great to get somebody a meaningful gift. And now that you've seen the redemption process firsthand, here is a summary of what actually happened and why it was a great value to do so. Beginning on the left-hand side of your screen where it says via cashback, the total price of the watch was $332.95. Now, if I had to redeem my points for cashback as a statement credit or directly into my Chase account to pay off my credit card bill later, then I would have had to redeem 33,295 points, which of course equates to 1 cent per point. But via the points promo on the right-hand side of your screen where my points were worth 25% more, of course the watch price was still the same at $332.95, but I only had to redeem 26,636 points to cover that same charge, which is where my points were worth 1.25 cents each. This meant for my savings, I was able to keep 6,659 points remaining in my account, worth $66.59 of cashback, or $83.24 for a future travel purchase via the portal, pay yourself back, or perhaps we'll see a different company partner with Chase for a similar 25% promo. Regardless, I had already made up in my mind months ago to get my dad the Apple Watch either as a Father's Day gift or perhaps a present for Christmas. And if there were no promo going on at the time, then I still would have used the cashback method anyway to cover my charge, even if I only got 1 cent per point. So fortunately, it all worked out with the timing of this offer plus Father's Day, and they also had the watch available on the site in stock, so it all came together really well for this gift. So by the time I upload and publish this video, there'll probably be around 1 week left of this promotion. So if there's some sort of Apple product that you've had your eye on for a while, but you've been holding off on that purchase, and if you've got some leftover Chase points sitting around, now may be a great time to make that purchase happen while getting a great value for your points in the process. Just be sure to get your purchase in before June 30th, 2021, because if you do it after that, starting July 1st, this offer will be expired, which means you won't get the 25% bonus, which also means that's not cool. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also remember to journey on down to the description area below to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS to manage all of your credit cards and rewards and a whole lot more in a single app. And as we close out today's video, if any of you are going to be taking advantage of this promotion before June 30th, comment down below what you intend to buy with your Chase Ultimate Rewards points. I thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.